Model, 2006 Renault Master MOVANO MM35 Dci 100 medium wheelbase, ultra-low miles for age, ready to use, perfect for camper conversion. Struck. Body, blue, minibus with a working disability ramp. Mileage, 69,142. MOT, 9 May 2024. Engine, 2463 cc 2.5 Dci, 100. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. First to see will buy. Got windows all the way round for a conversion. Features: 2 former keepers. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.